matcha latte.
But I know we miss you old self
So this is milkshake I make for the kids.
What's cooking? There's only so much holding on again.
Ooh. Hi guys, so I just got back home now from all the waka today. Today has been waka day. From GP, I went to GP. You guys can see the stuff here. So from the GP, I went to make my hair. No, from the GP, I went to buy a few things. I'll show you guys just a few random things we needed in the house. Then I went to make this hair. I made this hair today. Then I went to pick the girls from school. So she's there sulking. I went to pick them from school. And yeah, we're back home now. And a lot of my deliveries came in today when I was out and about. Yeah, so when I was away, I was getting notification that my orders have arrived. I mean, all the things I ordered that they've arrived. So I have a lot of unboxing to do now, like so much unboxing to do. Some of them are from TEMU, some are from different brands like PR, some of them are from Shein. Yeah, ordered a few things from Shein. My room now is filled up with ungongo and ungongo, a lot of things. I don't know. I don't think I'll be going to work tomorrow and the rest of this week, so I don't think I will have time for any video to shoot any content. Yeah, so I think I'll leave everything till next week. Then I'll do the unboxing, Temu unboxing, Shein unboxing, and some of the PR. I have like 3 PR. One is a waist belt for exercise, for workouts. The other one is a glasses from TEMU, and what again was it? I can't even remember the last thing. So yeah, I want to quickly make. Okay, let me show you guys the things I bought. It's just random home stuffs. Careful, you will fall. So I keep this in. Their house snacks. I bought these things in home bagging. Just normal things we run out of at home. So I love this biscuit. I love this peanut cookies. Love it, yeah? See your Listerine kids mouthwash. So that's the mouthwash my kids use. I'm going to keep it in the bathroom, okay? Just a few things. All these things. Okay, I bought this matcha latte. This matcha latte, I want to try it to see what it looks like. I normally take the normal latte, but I just want to try this matcha latte. I bought this biscuit. I bought like 3 or 4 ones. Then this cute little spray. I just saw it and loved it. I just bought it. I'll just be popping it on my handbag. Comb, tail comb, hand wash, just few bits and bobs. Then since I bought donuts for you, we're gonna keep it in the fridge. Okay, and then some other snacks, chocolates, just random snacks in here. Then I bought this cute little drink stuff. I like this drink stuff. It's just so cute. It can be like juice bottle, water bottle, fruit smoothie, anything. It's so nice. That should be my delivery. Oh God, a lot of deliveries are just coming in today. I told you guys, a lot of deliveries are just coming in. Okay, this one is from Shein. Oh, this one is from Shein. Okay. I'm still expecting 2 more. They've emailed me that they will still be delivering it today, so I'm still expecting 2 more. So I want all the deliveries, all the PR, the things I bought. I want everything to come in so that once I sit down to do unboxing, I'm doing unboxing of everything, both the PRs, both my personal things I bought. Yeah, so I bought these 2 for Soso and Daisy. It's just so cute. Then I bought these rubber gloves. So these rubber gloves is just to, because I noticed I do a lot of washing of dishes like with my hands, so my nails, I don't know, it's always cracking, it's always looking somehow. So I just said let me be wearing gloves to do dishes. Don't know if it will work. This is just me talking. Normally me, I will see just carry my hand like that and be washing dishes. But anywho, I bought this. So I bought these 4 hair rollers. Yeah, so cute, just to roll or coil my hair. And then my kids' toiletries and stuff like that. And face towels. And then I bought this. And then I bought these baskets. This plastic basket with a cover, like so. So what I want to be doing with this basket, all their hair stuff I normally make their hairs with, I'll pop them all in this basket, so that whenever it's hair day, I'll just tell her, Daisy, me, go and bring the hair basket. She knows where it is. She just bring it down and we'll start making hair. So that's basically it. So everything I bought was about £38 or so. Yeah. So come on, hug me. You don't want to hug me. Okay. Come on, babes. Come on, babes. Come on, babes. So it's just here. Doing wing. This one is my wing, baby. Look at guys. Look at guys now. I'm telling guys I'm doing wing. Mommy. You guys, it's very sunny today. So it's even wearing just pants like this. It's so sunny today. Like very, very hot. Huh? My God. Again. I gotta have anything you want to have. Okay, so I want to cook this October Feast Spatzel pasta. I don't know, but it's pasta. This is what it's looking like. So I just want to cook it. It's been long I bought this pasta and I've not cooked it. I even thought I've cooked it. I just saw it in my pantry and said I might as well just cook it today. So yeah. It's stuck on my hair. You know I have so much hair. Stuck on my hair.
Yeah? That thing can hurt you. Don't do it again. Come on, be careful. I feel
Be careful, babes. Be careful.
Wow, this is so squishy. This is also squishy. I'm here. Can I get some chili too?
If you want it after food, just even that after food.
After food.
This stuff now, this stuff.
I think when you close this, it closes up. What's wrong with this thing? Me!
So do you want chicken? Me, do you want chicken? What is let you see? You don't know what is chicken. I'm not going to beg anybody. Do you want chicken?
And then it's like, no, you. No, you do. You can't just force me to. Yeah, I know.
Which flavor is this? No, that's vanilla. So we've got, that's the microwave, ignore the noise guys. So that's vanilla ice cream. And I want to make some milkshake now because like I said, it's very, very hot.
So it's not from this place. I already told you. What's it called? Oh, it's not fancy.
So we have the ice cream, the vanilla ice cream and some milk in here. I'll just blend it and that's the milkshake. Make sure I wash the beer container.
Okay. So I need to sniff on you. So what is this house thing? I can't say that to my legs.
Hey guys, so I have some milkshake in here. I told you guys that it's very, very hot outside, like very, very hot. So this is milkshake I made for my kids. It's very cold because the ice cream has been in the fridge in the freezer. So look at her Daisy, she's licking the spoon. All right, girls, come on. Wait for spoon, no. Come on, there you go, baby.
Thank you, Mommy.
Hey, baby. How is it?
Yummy. Is even what? It's ice cream.
It's nice, yeah? All right, then go and sit down and drink, okay? Of course you can hold me, my tiny baby. My bam. Oh my god, no, sorry, that's my bra strap. This one is eating it raw.
Because I like it. No, I washed it. This one. Oh.
Carry your own. So carry your food to the dining. That's what it's looking like. Some chicken.
My name is Ice Cream King. I'm responsible for different flavors.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Guys, how you all doing? So I came for my hair appointment. I am braiding my hair like my usual all back for my wigs. Underneath my wig is my hair. Yeah, I've not braided it yet, so I want to go do my usual all back now. So the lady said I should come by 2, and this is 13:45. That's 15 minutes to 2. Yeah, so this is 15 minutes to 2. I'm just in the car waiting. So once it's 2 o'clock, I will start heading to make my hair. So once I'm out, I will show you guys what my hair is looking like. So currently I have my wig on. I love this wig so much. It gives this rich auntie vibes look. Yeah, anywho, I'm just in the car playing some music and dancing. I'm vlogging with my phone, and this is also the phone that I connected to the music. I would have played the music I'm dancing to you guys. But yeah, let me continue my dancing. I might show you guys a clip when I'm making the all back. Yeah, I see what you're saying. It's looking alright. This one is so tiny. So guys, I just finished making my hair. This is what we have. Oh, this looks so nice. It looks so nice and neat. Can you guys see this scalp of my hair? Very neat, very clean. I'm a clean babe. I'm a clean girl. Oh my god, I love this hair. It's glittering, it's glowing. I like. So yeah, I want to quickly go pick the kids up now. From here to their school is like 20 minutes drive. No, it's not up to 20 minutes. From here to their school is like 17 minutes drive. I was drinking milkshake. Sanitize your hand. You sanitize your hand. Okay?
Hi guys.
That's funny. So scent leaf here, and I have cocoa as well. Because you hold it, when your sister takes from you, you cut another one. Love the bags.
Mommy, what's that? Mommy, what's that thing called?
It's over.
Opa. He has it. Here you go.
You're not giving to me, you're giving to your sister. Then she will open it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, really.